Radio navigation involves using ground-based radio signals to determine the aircraft's position and navigate along the desired route. Most common forms of radio navigation include VOR, which is VHF omnidirectional range, or DME, which is distance measuring equipment, or NDB, or non-directional radio beacon. Using a VOR receiver, you want to tune the VOR to the select frequency of the VOR station on your aircraft's VOR receiver. To identify the station, ensure that you are tuned to the correct station by listening to the Morse code identifier transmitted by the VOR. Rotate the OBS or Omni bearing selector knob to select the radial you want to fly along or to determine your position relative to the station. Use the CDI or course deviation indicator needle to track the radial. If the needle is centered, you are on course. If it deflects to the right or to the left, adjust your heading towards the needle to correct your course. Pilots use VORs to navigate along specific radials, following a predefined route or determining their position by cross-referencing multiple VOR stations. To use DME navigation, often integrated with VOR, tuning in a VOR/DME station automatically activates the DME. The DME display shows slant range distance in nautical miles from your aircraft to the station. GPS navigation uses signals from satellites to determine the aircraft's exact position anywhere on the Earth, offering greater precision and flexibility than traditional radio navigation. Input your route into the GPS, including departure, destination, and any intermediate waypoints. The GPS will provide direct course to each waypoint, displaying information such as distance, or time to the next waypoint, or ground speed, or all three. The GPS display shows on your position relative to the desired course, allowing you to make real-time corrections. The GPS system allows pilots to fly direct routes between waypoints rather than being constrained to fixed VOR radials and airways. GPS provides detailed information about terrain, airspace boundaries, and other navigational aids, enhancing situational awareness. Pilots often use both GPS and radio navigation methods simultaneously to cross-check their position and ensure accuracy. In the event of a GPS failure, radio navigation methods provide a reliable backup for navigation. GPS can refine your course, while VOR/DME provides reliable cross-reference to ensure you're on the correct track. Use VOR radials to follow airways, with GPS providing additional route information and alerts. Use all of these tools to help you navigate the friendly skies. Be sure to like and subscribe this video. If you want to learn more about helicopters, I have a free course on getting started with helicopters. I also have a course on how to pay for flight school, and I also have a course on getting your private helicopter license. I'd love to help you out. Links are all down in the description below.